Alright, y'all. I'm at Aldi's. Back with another video. My husband decided he wanted some chicken tender and fries. See? So I'm gonna see y'all when I get in there. Came in here after two things. Some chicken tenders and some fries. And I'm gonna make sure that's what I get. Chicken tender and fries. Alright, they got some good fries. I'm gonna get these for $2.79. Now I'm gonna see if I find the chicken tenders. Everything $7.99. They say these taste like what's the name of that restaurant? I'm gonna get these. That's $7.99. I think that's it. Let me look over here at this ice cream. As hot as it is. See what Aldi finds they got off in here. Oh, milk chocolate waffles. Look at that. Don't that look good? They got the maple. Maple kind too. What's the price on it? $3.99. That's a good price. The gyro sandwiches. Okay. They done put out some new stuff. Look at that. Oh, that ice cream looks good. What kind of deal? Okay. Prices. $3.99. I can't believe they took these darn chicken tenders up. These things used to be $5.99. Oh, hey, let me get up out of all this. If I've been and picked something else up that I don't need. Oh, look at that ice cream. Bluebell, Java Joe ice cream. Dang, that ice cream almost $4. Y'all see that price? Ooh, let me get up out of all this. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all at checkout. Okay, it came to $11.99. I got so many bags. All the bags at home. I don't know why I keep forgetting to bring them with me. But I sure got them at home. Alright, fam. That's just a little short Aldi's run. I just woke up. So I'm going to cook some chicken tenders and some fries. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell so you'll know when I post a video. And y'all have a blessed evening. Until the next video, fam. Y'all have a good day.